This is what everyone has been waiting on, the Huawei P20 Pro unboxing and first look. Welcome everyone, I'm Techzilla, and in today's video we will be unboxing the P20 Pro and taking a first look at Huawei's latest offering. The handset comes in a matte white box, simple yet classy. On opening it, you are presented with the phone front and center. Underneath that, you have a small box which will house the relevant books and leaflets in the retail version, and on top of this box is the SIM ejection tool. Delving into the bottom of the box, we have Huawei's supercharger, USB-C charging and data cable, a set of headphones with an inline remote and terminated with a USB-C connection, and finally a USB-C headphone dongle for anyone wishing to use their own headphones. Peeling off the protective stickers shows the phone in its natural state of factory fresh, and yes, I know what you are all thinking. Yikes, a notch. Well, let's look past the notch for now, as Huawei have a trick up its sleeve to hide it, which I will show you later. Housed in the notch is the 24 megapixel f2.0 front camera. Yes, I did say 24 megapixels. Beneath the 6.1 inch OLED 18.7 by 9 aspect ratio Full HD Plus screen, you will see the home button. On the back of the P20 Pro is the showstopper, the Leica triple camera, which consists of an amazing 40 megapixel RGB lens, a 20 megapixel black and white lens with apertures of f1.8 and f1.6 respectively, and finally, to top it off, an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with an aperture of f2.4. The P20 Pro is constructed of a strong metal frame sandwiched in between two panes of hardened glass, and truly feels like holding luxury. The frame seamlessly melts into the glass, making it feel like a liquid alloy. What is really astounding is that Huawei have managed to fit a 4000 mAh battery into a device which is only 7.8 millimeters thick, and thrown in IP67 water and dust resistance, which should set everyone's mind at rest, especially if you're the outdoors kind of person. The phone runs on Huawei's Kirin 970 chipset from the tail end of 2017, but rest assured, with the neural processing unit, 128GB of built-in storage and 6GB of RAM, the P20 Pro should perform very fluidly in all aspects of the UI and any apps that you throw at it. From my usage of the Mate 10, I can confirm that after 5 months, it still performs like it is brand new. The P20 Pro is running on Android's 8.1 and EMUI 8.1 out of the box. Taking a look at the screen, it may only be Full HD Plus, but it is HDR10 approved, and being OLED, it is vibrant, colorful and bright. In fact, it is 770 nits bright, beating the iPhone X by 23%. Since we are talking about the screen, let's bring up the elephant in the room, the notch. To be completely honest, it really doesn't bother me, and being smaller than the iPhone X's notch, you have more room for notifications to be displayed. But if you really don't like it, Huawei have included a clever feature allowing you to hide the notch by adding black bars either side of it. The P20 Pro is packed with features such as being able to eliminate the on-screen buttons and controlling everything from the fingerprint sensor to transforming your P20 Pro into a desktop. Audio performance should also be top-notch too, as Huawei have partnered with Dolby to deliver Dolby Atmos, and to add to that, they have also included aptX, aptX HD, LDAC and HWA compatibility. So if you're like me and you use those high-end Bluetooth headphones, then they have you covered. Now let's talk about the triple threat, those Leica lenses on the back. The AI-powered triple camera is a real beast, which can capture the beauty in any shot. With a built-in light fusion technology, 5x hybrid zoom and stunning low light performance, there shouldn't be any scenario the P20 Pro cannot handle. These photos were taken by Jonathan Morris at night in Paris using the P20 Pro. I will leave a link to his website so you can read more details about the camera performance and view more stunning shots. Now all that's left to do is to decide which color P20 Pro you want to pre-order. The stunning Twilight, the Midnight Blue, or like me, the classic and classy black. The price? SIM-free, the phone costs £799, and if you pre-order by the 5th of April, you will get a pair of Bose QC35 second generation Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones thrown in for free, worth £329. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell icon, and give me a thumbs up and share my video on your social media. I will have many more videos on the P20 Pro, including reviews, accessories, camera comparisons, and versus videos. Until my next video, stay safe, au revoir, and peace.